Folks, pretty day across the valley today. Some high clouds out there, but still temperatures very mild. Started chilly this morning, warmed up to around 70 or so this afternoon, 64. Cool spot in Port Isabel, 70 in Rio Grande City right now. It's a cool afternoon, kind of a nice afternoon, evening across the valley. Overnight, our temperatures will drop back into the 40s again, so you want that jacket or even coat if you're headed out late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And remember, we hit these temperatures really right around dawn, so when you get up in the morning, that's where temperatures will be. A cold start to the day again, and then by afternoon, readings bounce back up into the 70s, about 71 along the coast, about 75 in the west, with, for the most part, sunshine across our skies once again. The next 3 days, the normal 73, we're going 72, 70, and then we're up to 78 on Thursday. We bounce back a little bit, and then another front Thursday night, early Friday. We'll cool things off just a little bit for the end of the week, but not a major front. We don't see any big ups and downs in the weather this week at all. Look at the clouds. They've been relatively thick across the valley today. Without those, we probably would have been 2 or 3 degrees warmer, not dramatically so, but a little bit. Overnight tonight, patchy clouds stick around. We're cool. A weak front comes through tomorrow. You probably won't notice it, but it may push a lot of the clouds out. So we're back to bright sunshine for tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures very similar to today. Wednesday, same kind of thing. Maybe just a few patchy clouds around, but still a nice day across the area. And into Thursday, more of the same. And then Thursday night, Friday, a weak front could trigger a brief shower. But until then, we're dry, dry, dry. That front, the best chance, only about 20%. And it's early in the morning, probably pre-dawn. So even Friday will likely be a dry day across the area as well. Around Texas tonight, it is warmed up statewide. 75 in Dallas, 70 in the Midland, or in Abilene rather right now, 63 out in West Texas, 71 in Austin, 70 at this hour in Longview and Tyler, 60 up in Dalhart this evening. Here's your satellite picture across the region today, and it shows an awful lot of high clouds coming in from the southwest, and those will be with us tonight into tomorrow. There's an upper air disturbance sitting back over here. Not particularly strong, but it is feeding moisture in enough to give us that white sky instead of the blue sky today. A front to the north of us will slide down and come into the area tomorrow morning. Won't have a great impact. Again, for the most part, we see similar weather behind the front as we're seeing ahead of the front. Wednesday, things don't change much. Another front Thursday on the map. That due in here Thursday night, early Friday. Some of the models hint at a brief shower early in the morning on Friday, but other than that, we should be dry. So tonight, partly cloudy and cool, low of about 45. Southerly winds not much more than about 3 to 8 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, looks like more sunshine. Breezy at the coast, but everywhere else, a relatively light wind. Here's a look at the next 7 days, 72, 70, and then Thursday, 78. Next front comes in. Friday's a little bit cooler at 68, and again, a slight chance for a shower in the morning. But after that, look at the weekend, partly sunny skies back in the 70s, and by Monday of next week, right around 80 degrees. Looks like a pretty nice forecast. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.